So today I will show you how to cure a zombie villager. First off, we need a crafting table and a brewing stand. We will go into the crafting table and we need these three here. Spider eye, you get this by killing a spider. Like this, we craft. We get the fermented spider eye. Then we also need to make blaze powder. We do this by placing a blaze rod and click here. Then we go into the brewing stand. We put 3 bottles of water. 3 bottles of water here. Now we put the fermented eye here. Then we take some blaze powder up here. Then we wait. Now when this is crafted, we take the gunpowder to make it a splash potion. And we wait. While this wait, we can make a golden apple. We need 8 gold ingots and an apple. We put the apple in the middle and 8 gold around. Or we can search up here. Golden apple. Do this. Now when we have the weakness potion, we will splash this on the zombie villager, and after that we will give him a golden apple. So we do like this. He starts vibrating and shaking. And if you wait, it can take some minutes, he will become a villager. So we just wait here. So now he became a villager, and now you can give this guy a job. You can do like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.